Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial because I bought a new Morphe palette yesterday at the Ulta near my job. And yeah, I got the Morphe 35V palette. So this is it's called the Stunning Vibes palette 35V. And it looks like this. It has a lot of blues and purples in it, which I don't have any of this, so I'm shook. See? It looks stunning, and that's the reason why I bought it, because I don't really have a lot of purples or blues. So yeah, I'm going to swatch a few of them, and I'm going to do an eyeshadow review. Oh wait, never mind, I got, yeah. I'm prepared. This eyeshadow I'm gonna swatch is this color right here. I'm gonna swatch mostly like the blues and stuff because I know it's hard to make blues and purples. So I'm gonna swatch this blue right here. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Ooh, bitch, it looks like violet. You're turning violet. Yes, bitch. It's stunning. Like, honestly, to be a blue, yeah. And the next color I'm gonna swatch is this purple one right here. Ooh. That's what ooh, bitch. Damn. This my... I'm shook. So the next color I'm gonna swatch is this blue one right here on the corner. It's like a teal, like a dark teal color. Okay, it's cute or whatever. Alright, so the last color I'm gonna swatch is this color right here. And this is what it looks like. Ooh, it's like a shift color. Ooh, that's pretty. It has blue glitter on it too. So these are the full colors. So let's start an eye tutorial. So I just set I primed my lid with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer, and I set that with Wet n Wild Creme Brulee. So yeah, since I don't see any like light color as a set to set my eye, I like to set my eye with like a white color. But yeah, so the first color I'm gonna do as a transition shade is the shade Scandal right here. And I'm gonna use that as a transition shade. So let's get it. And I'm using my Wet n Wild crease brush, by the way. And also, I like to say something real quick. Jeffree Star, honey, where's my shit? Because I've been waiting like 2 weeks. I've been waiting not even 2 weeks. I've been waiting 3 weeks for my velour lip liners because I want to do a review for you guys on YouTube. The velour lip liners and the fucking Supreme Frost. Where's my shit? Like, he said he was gonna start shipping them out on the 12th, and I was like, alright, that's doing too much. But now he said the 19th. Like, really though? Where's my stuff? Like, that's not fair. That shit got me mad. Like, no, that's not right. Like, how you gonna say the 12th and now the 19th? Like, now I gotta wait another fucking week. I'm gonna deepen the crease with this color called Turned On right here. Just to like give it some more definition a little bit. On my Morphe M433. The only fucking Morphe eyeshadow brush I have.
with the shade Trice right here, and I'm gonna put it on my outer V to like you know, because I want to do like a purple berry eyeshadow look today. So yeah.
Now I'm gonna take the shade Hit It Off, and I'm gonna make like define, like put it on the lower lash line, not the lower, the upper lash line. I learned from my last video. I kept on saying lower lash line for some reason. This is what the eyes look like so far. Let me bring this. Yeah. But like, I don't know what shimmer to use. Look. Like, what shimmer should I use? I don't know. I'm gonna use the shade Heartbreaker right here, and I'm gonna use it in my lid as a shimmer shade. I'm so excited. Let me see. Now I'm gonna go back with Hit It Off and like blend both of them together. It looks so pretty. I love it. Last but not least, I'm gonna use the shade Swipe Right, like right here. And I'm gonna put it in my inner tear duct. I think I'm gonna do something in the lower lash line as well because I don't know, I just want like a smoky vibe. So I'm gonna put Seduced in my lower lash line right here. Now I'm gonna take the shade Fling right here. Ooh, it looks darker on camera, but it's not that dark in person. It's like a navy blue. And I'm gonna put it in my waterline. I'm gonna try that. I never did that before, so I'm gonna try it. I'm scared. I'm gonna put some lashes, mascara on and eyeliner, and I be right back with the final result. Okay, y'all, so this is how the eyeshadow turned out. See, I love this palette so much. It's so much like purples, and if you could do like even a neutral look if you wanted to. But this is how it turned out. See, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, you already know what I do, honey. Give it a big yeah. Okay, guys, I love you guys so much. I love you, my moon babies.